Welcome to this 5-minute meditation to release negative energy and attachment cords. We'll go ahead and keep your eyes open to watch the video, or you may close your eyes and find yourself in a seated position or laying down flat and relaxed. We'll go ahead and take a big deep breath in and exhale out. We will begin by immersing ourselves in nature through your mind's eye. This may be a jungle, a waterfall, a park, or a beach. However your body resonates the most, find yourself immersed in this nature, breathing in and out. Feeling the sunshine beat on your belly and on your shoulders and the top of your head, creating warmth all throughout your body, reminding you that our bodies are nature. Taking a big breath in and out. Now, as you rest in nature and you feel the sun on your belly, bring your consciousness to your solar plexus, your energy center, your power center. This center is a prime spot for energetic attachments. And so what we can do is call forth these cords and imagine them like golden threads coming from your body to other beings, feeling into these cords and their density. For those whom you have a strong attachment to, they may seem like a tree branch, big, thick, strong. For other people, it may appear as a thin metal strand, hard to break, dense. And yet, for some, you may feel more like a feather, light and easy to let go of. Feel these cords and hold in your mind's eye now the people attached to those cords. It could be those you love. It could be some you've never met. Now bring to light all of these cords coming from your body, and any of them that you can sense are draining you, and you may even choose to pantomime holding scissors and cutting those cords with your scissors. You may even choose to pantomime holding a knife and slicing those cords off and away from your body. If it's a very thick cord, you may need to pantomime using a saw and sawing off the cord and detaching, letting go, releasing, and then filling up this place with golden light, honoring you, holding you, being supported by you and nature, and bringing your hands to the spot where your cords were cut. Take a big deep breath in and out.